Hello, welcome back to the tutorial. So this is one of the last. In this part 12, we will be doing user bookmark, where user can bookmark whichever jobs that they have applied, wish to apply, and so on. But maybe not apply, but maybe just bookmark and so on. Okay. So I'll try to give you much more in depth of what the functionalities will be before we do it. So you have the bookmark jobs applied. So I think in the previous tutorial, this user called Roberto James has already applied for the 3D artist role. So which means that this functionality for this one, the user already applied for the 3D artist. And then we have the bookmark jobs, which is empty, but we'll do it right now in a few seconds. And then you have the edit profile. Okay, let's just try to test the functionality of the bookmark. Okay, so the user already indicated that this guy, this job listing for the marketing executive NFT already been bookmarked. But when you go to the profile, and you can see that it's listed. So here's how to do it. So we go back to the bubble editor. Okay, go back to the user profile. Okay, you can see here on the user profile, you need to create again the custom state of elements on the element expector on the user profile, not the profile group. So you have view edit profile, and then click as a yes or no for the boolean type, and then the default value as a yes, and then view bookmark jobs. Okay, view bookmark jobs, and then you have view jobs applied to yes or no boolean, and then this one is a boolean also. So that's it. And then now you have groups here. So for the group, you have a user profile group to set a condition called user profile, view edit profile is yes, and then this element is visible, and then tick it. Okay, then you have bookmark jobs. Okay, for the bookmark jobs, you have the user profile, view bookmark jobs is yes. Okay, and then jobs applied, you have user profile, view jobs is yes, and applied it. Okay, again on the previous tutorial, it's the same thing. So when you click this, start edit workflow, select this, set state of elements, and then you have an element called user profile. Okay, custom state is a view edit profile is a yes, and then the rest of the two, view bookmark jobs and also view jobs applied, will be a no. Okay, then second part of the set state of elements be the same thing. Then you have the user profile, view bookmark jobs as a yes, and then view jobs applied as a no, view edit profile a no. And then third will be jobs applied. You have user profile, view jobs applied as a yes, view edit profile a no, and then view bookmark jobs as a no. Okay, so that's it. Then you have the edit profile here. So you just drag and drop the input, and also picture uploader, and also a button. So when you click on save changes button on the start edit workflow, you can create make changes to a thing. Things to change will be current page user, and then also full name equal to input user full name value, profile photo, location, and so on, whichever you wish to edit, to allow the user to edit their user status or user profile. Then you click on refresh page. So whenever you can create a condition whenever the result of step 1 is not empty, then it will refresh. Okay, so on the bookmark jobs, you have this thing. You can create this, search for jobs, bookmark contains current user. So you need to create a new thing, a new data called jobs under the jobs category. Then you have to create a bookmark list of users. So you create a bookmark, type of bookmark here. Okay, and then user, then you tick this. But since it's already been created, this is what it's going to look like, bookmark list of users. Okay, so yeah, so for this thing, create a search for jobs, then bookmark contains current user. Okay, and then for just apply, you have this repeating group. So on the repeating group, you have the data source, search for jobs, do a search for, and then type will be jobs, and then applied by, select applied by contains current user. Okay, so that's it. And let's get back to the index page where you have this button here. So in this button, you need to create a condition and so on. So in the condition, you can create this current sales jobs bookmark contains current user. So and then you select the icon to be a blue. So which means that if the current user already been edited for this, I mean already like or bookmark for this thing, means that it will appear in that highlighted color. Otherwise, it will be just the inside of the color will be not blue, but it's a white, and then the outer color will be a blue. So that's how you can differentiate whether a user already been bookmarked or not. Okay, so let's just get started. So on the edit workflow, so you have two right here. So just to explain to you, this one in the green one, it means that the user hasn't yet to bookmark. So you need to create a condition. Okay, so the condition is that current sales jobs bookmark doesn't contain current user. And then otherwise, then you create on the step one, make changes to a thing, and then select things to change current sales jobs, bookmark, add current user. Now obviously, you need to create a condition whenever a current user has logged in. Otherwise, a user that is not yet logged in or do not have any account registered on the platform, they may bookmark it. So that's how you mitigate this by setting up this condition. So this green color, this green condition here is just to indicate that the user hasn't yet to like or bookmark it. Okay, so just to give you an example again, so if I bookmark this, and then I can see here that I already bookmark business analyst, and if I wish to debookmark or unbookmark, I click this back, and then it will not appear on the no longer bookmark. I no longer bookmark for this job role, so I only have marketing executive NFT only. Okay, so in this case, the way that you can do this is that you have click on the icon again, by doing that, click on add to event. Okay, and after elements, then element is click. Okay, then element is click, you have select this. But since it's already been created, I don't need to do it again. So I just create this condition, current sales jobs bookmark contains current user. So which means that user already been liked, this condition will be applied. So you create step one, make changes to a thing. Things to change will be current sales jobs, and then bookmark, remove current user. And obviously, again, not to forget, you have the condition when the current user is logged in. So that's it. That's the functionality of the bookmark. Okay. So again, on this functionality, you have the edit profile, where a user can edit profile, bookmark jobs apply, and also log out. So for the logout, just a very simple thing. Okay, go to the create button here, to tags, and then on the step one, log the user out, and then go to page index, or whichever page that you wish to get the user to go to navigate. And yes, so that's it. That's it for the video or the tutorial. The next video, maybe I just give you a rundown on all the functionality that we have created, and that's the whole conclusion of it. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the final video of it. Bye bye.